Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Kumar from class 5th C. Today I am going to show you how a cow does chewing the cud. So let me go down. So you can see this is my cow just in front of my house, and she is just eating, she is just taking small bites of food and swallowing it. And as if you know, and if you don't know, I will tell that cow has four stomachs. So first, when she eats food, it goes to the first chamber of the stomach, that is the biggest chamber of the stomach. And as you know that when cow eats some food, there is something also, the undigestible materials that go inside his or her stomach, like iron, nails, wires, etc. So when the cow eats, swallows up all the food, and then it goes to there is a biggest chamber here, then it goes there. And when she comes to a rest position, she brings the food back to her mouth. But first the food goes to the second chamber of the stomach, and the indigestible materials are heavier than the food, so that's why that they stay in the second chamber of the stomach, and the rest food comes to the cow's mouth, and it chews it properly. So I will show you when it comes to a rest position. I will show that how it is chewing, but she is not eating any food and she is chewing still it. So let's see after some time. Let's wait. So here now it has not any food in front of it, but still she is chewing, because when the first chamber, the biggest chamber of the stomach, first chamber is now it is now in rest position. So the food from the first chamber goes to the second chamber, and the heavier things that are undigestible are stored in the second chamber, and the edible things are gone through the second chamber to the mouth. So you can see it is chewing, and when it chews it properly, it goes to the food pipe, to the second chamber of the stomach, then it goes to the third chamber, and then it goes to the fourth chamber of the stomach. And just the fourth chamber of the stomach is just like our human stomach. So then it digests, and this is all the part of chewing the cud. And these animals who do the mostly herbivore animal are also called cud chewing animal. Thank you.